time? No.
Probably for the last 10 minutes. Yeah. You haven't been in the thing, but okay. So now that my makeup is finished, also, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing a little vlog of my day. I'm gonna do a grocery haul, all that kind of stuff. So I just put a few curls in my hair using the Dyson, just did my makeup as you saw. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I might go to 2 different grocery stores just because both of them have different things in them that I need and have different things on sale. So I made my list and the meals for the week that I'm gonna get. So yeah, so I thought I would take you along for the journey. I can't film in the grocery stores. You're just not. Mom! Are you kidding me? So you can film in the grocery stores where I live, so I won't be able to do that, but I'll film a grocery haul when I get home and the different meals that I'm gonna do for the week. I'm also think I'm going to do a little meal prep for lunches this week because I find I just eat healthier when I have all my meals prepared for the week, especially because I work from home. I can really just have anything, so oftentimes I reach for the unhealthy items, so I want to just be prepared for the week and have everything ready. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store and go to 2 different ones, and then I will come back and I will do a haul for you. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got into the car. It is such a nice sunny day today. So I'm just about to go grocery shopping, but I just thought before, don't worry, I'm still in my driveway. Before I left, I thought I would tell you kind of my favorite grocery store tips. I actually am a person who loves to go grocery shopping. I love going with a list. And what I do, because I know a lot of people don't like grocery shopping, but what I do is I take my AirPods and I download a podcast or 2 while I'm in the grocery store, and I just put them in my AirPods. I normally just keep one out just so I can still hear what's going on around me. And I just find it makes the experience so much more enjoyable because I find sometimes grocery stores can be very stressful, especially with like COVID and all that kind of stuff. So I do find that that is better. And I also go in with a list and like my objectives, and I try to stay to my list as much as possible, which sometimes is hard when you're grocery shopping for other people, because I grocery shop for my whole family when I go. So yeah, so I just thought that that would help. The podcast that I downloaded today is, I've talked about my favorite podcast before, but the ones that I downloaded today were Haley Hoffman Smith's Big Conversations podcast, and then another one is Gals on the Go. I probably won't listen to them both because one's 31 minutes and one's 56 minutes. I'm actually a very quick grocery shopper. I normally get it done within 45 minutes to an hour, so that is good. So yeah, so I thought I would just take you along. I'm just gonna put on some music. Yeah, I'm in my big old winter coat because it's still so cold here. You can probably barely see it, but it's a big huge puffer from Lululemon. It's my favorite coat ever. And then I just have Ugg boots on, Fabletics pants, and a black v-neck from American Eagle, which you can't see, but you'll see it later. I just did a little makeup look, and then I forgot to put earrings in, darn, and then my hair is done. So yeah, I'm just gonna listen to some music, and I think I'm gonna do Don't Stop the Party by Pitbull. Alright, so I got my list. I just got here to the grocery store. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day today. I just can't believe it. How nice it is. I'll probably try to go for a walk this afternoon. Hey guys, so I just got back from the grocery store. I'm still in the grocery store parking lot. It was so crazy in there. I don't know why I go grocery shopping on on Saturdays. There were so many people and the line took so long, but anyway, I got all my groceries, which was good. Just gonna get buckled up. But yeah, so I'll do a grocery haul when I get home. But I also got the new bubbly flavor. Bubbly just came out with like 3 new flavors, so I got the peach flavor. So I'm very excited to try that. Just turning on the car. People are watching me vlog. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got home from the grocery store and I have all my groceries here in the kitchen, so I just thought I would show you what we got at the grocery store, well, what I got. So first I have bubbly. This is the peach bubbly and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put a can in the freezer. So I got bubbly. In the first bag we got 2 things of almond milk because we go through it a lot between me and my sister. And we got some fresh Parmesan because we're gonna make chicken parm this week, so that'll be good. We got some gluten-free multigrain loaf by the brand Promise. I got some light Laughing Cow cheese, which is really good on crackers and stuff if you want a little snack. I got some feta for the tomato feta pasta. It's one of my favorite pastas. Some frozen blueberries for smoothies and frozen spinach. If you are looking for like a cheaper way to make smoothies, definitely look at the frozen fruit and frozen vegetables. I always add spinach into my smoothies, normally of the frozen variety because it doesn't go bad as fast. And it makes your smoothies colder, which is what I like. And I got some pizza deli pepperoni because we're gonna make pizzas this week. This is my favorite pepperoni. And then I got some almond milk, or I think it's actually coconut milk creamer. This is sweet cream flavor, so I'll just put this in with the cold brew that I make here at home. I got some sour cream because we're gonna make taco bowls this week. Next we got some chips. My sister's having some friends over. Some romaine lettuce and some asparagus because we'll just make salads and we'll roast these. And I got some whole wheat tortillas for wraps. 5 apples in this bag. I was told specifically to handpick them myself and not to get a bag of them. So I handpicked them for my sister, and they're the delicious honey delicious or something like that. I don't know what they're called. I got 3 cans of coconut milk because I put this in with my rice and it makes it creamier and just better. I got some salsa and some salsa con queso, which would be good for our taco bowls this week. Got some Hidden Valley Ranch. If you're looking for a better way to make ranch, if you put this in with Greek yogurt or plain yogurt, this is a good kind of alternative if you're looking for something a little bit healthier, but you still love ranch. This is just the Hidden Valley Ranch packet. I got some falafel mix because I really like falafels and I'm gonna make them again this week. I'm gonna try them again. And then I got gluten-free panko crumbs. I got liquid smoke. So we put this in to make like a Chick-fil-A sauce. So this is one of the ingredients in that. I'm gonna do a Chick-fil-A sandwich at home video because they're literally so good. And next we have green onions and bananas, tomatoes, tangerine cuties, lemon lime, sweet potato, barbecue sauce. This is the Spirited Mickey sweet and tangy bourbon barbecue sauce. This is my favorite, so good. I got some salmon, so I'm gonna meal prep this for this week. I'll just put like a little portion in each. And then I got some chicken because we're gonna do taco bowls, and then I got beef because we're also gonna do taco bowls because the rest of my family likes chicken and I like beef for my taco bowls. This is what I got at the grocery store. I did get a lot, but it's for my whole family, so yeah, I'm just the MVP because I went to the grocery store on the weekends. They're all laughing in the living room as I'm filming this, but anyway, so I thought you would like me filming that. So now I'm going to recruit the rest of my family to help put this away because I got the groceries, so I don't have to put it away. Hey guys, so I just thought I would give you a little update. So I made this sandwich. It's just a chicken. I put chicken, shredded chicken, cheddar, cheese, lettuce, and mayo on this gluten-free bread that I got. The bread turned out better than I thought it was going to. Tastes quite good. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat that, and I'm watching some YouTube, and yeah, that's it. You're growing lettuce.
Growing.
So are you gonna plant it?
No, I'm growing over here.
Oh. Do you wanna come show the vlog?
No.
You don't wanna show the vlog, your lettuce? No? Okay. So I'm just got ready to do a little spin class. So I'm wearing this tank top from Aerie. It's like just like a black tank top, and it has like a cross in the back. I wear it all the time. It's probably one of my favorite tank tops. And then I just have green pants on from Fabletics. These are like my favorite pants. Anyway, so I'm gonna work out and then get ready for the evening, probably take a quick shower, and I'll probably just put a shower cap on so I don't have to redo my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna do a Peloton class. I think I'm gonna do either a Lizzo ride or Megan Thee Stallion. haven't really decided, but anyway, I will see you after my spin.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless.
Hey guys, I just finished my spin classes. So I did a 30-minute, oh my god, my bed's so messy. I did a 30-minute spin class, Lizzo spin class with Robin, and then I did a 5-minute cool down. So yeah, I'm quite sweaty. You can't really tell that much because I still have makeup on. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk outside because it's literally so nice outside. So I really want to get a walk in while it's sunny. But yeah, it's starting to finally feel like spring, which is super nice. So I'm very grateful for that. But yeah, I think I will end the video here right now. After this walk, I'm probably just gonna get a shower, wash off my face, do a little bit of skincare, and then just kind of chill for the rest of the evening. I don't really have that many plans tonight, so I'm just probably just gonna chill, and I'll probably edit this video. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe down below. It really helps out my channel and helps it get pushed to more people, so I'd really appreciate if you could do that. But I will see you next time. Bye!